Hello everyone, welcome to Geology Concepts. I'm back with my second episode of YouTube Shorts in which I'm going to discuss GATE 2016 question on triple junction. This question is important because triple junctions are sometimes difficult to understand, and also there have been two answers in the official answer key of GATE, so we will try to find out how these two answers are possible. I have made a video on triple junction and how to identify the stability of these triple junctions. I will just share the link with you in the description below. You can go and check it out, and let's find out what are the two possibilities of this question. So the question is in front of you, which says that you have been given a stable triple junction in which plate A and C, they are sharing a plate margin of subduction zone, in which C is the overriding plate and A is the subducting plate, and the motion is perpendicular to this margin, normal to this plate boundary. While A and B are sharing a textural transform fault, and we have been asked the plate margin of between B and C. So let's see whether it is a transform fault, textural or sinistral, or it is a mid-oceanic ridge or subduction zone. So the best method, which I have also discussed in the video I have made, is the formation of triangle of velocity vectors of all these three plate margins, and if these velocity vectors intersect at a one common point, then that triple junction is a stable triple junction. So for doing that, I will just place arbitrarily a point A mentioning the plate boundary or the plate A. Now I will fix the position of B and C with respect to A based on the given plate boundaries. If I were to place C, I will place it in the southwest direction of A, because this motion is in northeast southwest direction. Hence, if I were to stand on A, I will see C going in southwest direction. Now velocity vector is just parallel to this plate margin, so it will be parallel to this plate margin and also passing through the overriding plate, which is C. So this will be the velocity vector AC. Now A and B is a textural transform fault, hence A must be in the east of B all the time. So somewhere on this line your B must lie, and the velocity vector should be just passing through this as AB. Now here you have two possibilities, whether you can put B here or you can put B here as well. So we will find out and we will see both the scenarios and what could be the possible answer. So if I discuss with you this B dash possibility first, this forms a triangle. So let us find out the velocity vector BC and see if it is passing through this common point, because AB and AC are already intersecting at this point. So BC velocity vector must be present or must overlie this AC vector, right? Then only this will be a stable triple junction. So for doing that, it must be a subduction zone in this fashion, just parallel to this BC line we have drawn, and which is a possibility because in this case C must be overriding. Why? Because for this triple junction to be stable, it should overlap this AC velocity vector, and for doing that it should pass through C, and if it is passing through C must be the overriding plate in this case. So this is one possibility, and which is absolutely correct. So one answer we have got as subduction zone. But as you can see, there is another possibility of this B. So let us find out. Now if this is the possibility in which B is in northwest direction of C and C is in southeast direction of B, this suggests that it should be a transform fault, in which case C is going in the southeast direction and B is in the northwest direction, and this type of motion is a transform fault, and that too a textural transform fault, because it is a right lateral transform fault. So hence here D option can also be correct. And also if you draw this textural transform fault between B and C, your velocity vector will always coincide with this AC vector, because in the case of transform fault it always passes from the plate margin just parallel to that. So in both the cases it is possible that you form a stable triple junction. Hence there are two options, B and D. So earlier D was the only answer in the first answer key, but in the revised one they have added B as well, because it completely makes sense. I hope I made things clear to you. So stay tuned to Geology Concepts for such more concepts. Thank you.